That pantry you spent months building, the one with the freeze-dried meals and the emergency buckets stacked in the corner. It will not feed your family past the first 2 weeks. Not because you did not try hard enough, because the survival food industry sold you a timeline and called it a plan. Veterans who have actually operated in supply-disrupted environments know something different. They do not stock freeze-dried meals. They stock 7 specific foods. Most of them cost under $5. Every single one of them is sitting in a Walmart or a grocery store right now. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly which 7 foods, exactly how much to buy, and exactly why the people who survive long-term disruptions always had these and never had a single freeze-dried pouch. Before the 7 foods, one principle. The survival food industry optimizes for shelf life on a label. Veterans optimize for calories per dollar, preparation time under stress, and nutritional function when supply chains stop. Those are completely different equations. 7 foods, each one chosen against 3 variables: caloric density, preparation simplicity, long-term storage without special equipment, no freeze dryer, no mylar sealer, no oxygen absorbers, just food. That actually works when everything else stops, starting with the one that surprises everyone. Food 1. Here's the difference that matters in a survival context. Brown rice contains natural oils in the bran layer. Those oils go rancid. Shelf life under normal storage: 6 months to 1 year. White rice has had the bran removed. No oils, no rancidity. Properly stored in a sealed container, white rice lasts 25 to 30 years. That is not a misprint. 25 to 30 years. A 20-pound bag costs roughly $12 to $15 at any Walmart or grocery store. That 20-pound bag contains approximately 36,000 calories. 36,000 calories for $15. The freeze-dried rice bucket that holds the same caloric value costs $140. White rice requires one thing to prepare: boiling water. That is it. No special equipment, no instructions. Well, every person in your household already knows how to make it. During every major documented food disruption of the last century, rice was the food that kept populations alive, not because it tastes good, because it works. Running total spent $15. Food 2. Iodized salt. A 1-pound canister costs under $2. Buy 10 of them. Most people think of salt as a flavoring. Trained survival thinking sees something completely different. Salt is a food preservation system. Before refrigeration existed, salt was how every civilization on Earth kept meat from rotting. It is not a historical curiosity. It is a technique that works in any environment with no electricity and no equipment. Rub salt into fresh meat. It draws out moisture. Bacteria cannot survive without moisture. And you have just extended that meat's usable life from hours to weeks. The second function. Iodized salt contains iodine. When normal food supply disruptions occur, iodine deficiency becomes a serious medical risk within weeks. Thyroid function depends on it. The iodine in $2 worth of salt covers that need for months. Third function. Salt is a barter item. In every documented long-term disruption, from the American frontier to World War II rationing, salt traded at a premium. People who had it traded it for things they needed. One item, 3 critical functions, under $2 per unit. Running total, $35 for 10 pounds of rice and 10 canisters of salt. Food 3. Honey. A 1-quart jar runs approximately $10 to $12. Here's the fact that stops most people cold. Now, archaeologists found honey in Egyptian tombs that was 3,000 years old. They tasted it. It was still edible. Honey is the only natural food with an indefinite shelf life. The chemistry prevents bacterial growth completely. No rotation needed. No expiration date that matters. Store it and forget it for as long as necessary. Caloric density. 1 tablespoon of honey contains 60 calories. It is one of the highest calorie per ounce foods that exists in nature. When caloric intake is restricted, honey delivers energy fast with zero preparation. Medical function. Raw honey is a documented antimicrobial agent. Apply it to a wound and it creates a bacterial barrier. Military medical references document honey as a field expedient wound treatment when pharmaceutical supplies are unavailable. This is not folk medicine. The mechanism is documented chemistry. Honey produces hydrogen peroxide slowly on contact with wound tissue. That is what kills bacteria. Sweetener, caloric reserve, wound treatment, indefinite shelf life, 4 functions, $12. Running total, approximately $47. Stop for a second. 3 foods, $47. You have calories that last 30 years. A preservation system that requires no electricity, and a medical supply hiding in a food jar. The freeze-dried industry wants you to spend $400 to cover what you just covered for $47. But here is what nobody in that industry will ever tell you. The next 2 foods on this list address the 2 things that kill people in long-term disruptions that have nothing to do with calories. Pay attention to these. Food 4, rolled oats. On a 42-ounce container costs $4 to $5. Buy several. The caloric math first. 1 cup of dry rolled oats contains approximately 300 calories. A standard container holds roughly 30 servings. That is 9,000 calories for $5. But here is what makes oats irreplaceable in a long-term food plan. Fiber. When people transition to emergency food stocks, the absence of dietary fiber causes serious digestive disruption within days. This sounds minor. It is not. In a survival situation, digestive illness compromises your physical capability and your decision-making simultaneously. Rolled oats solve that problem. They are the highest fiber staple food available at any grocery store. Combined with white rice, they create a digestive balance that keeps your body functional under stress. Preparation. Cold water and 30 minutes of soaking. You do not even need to cook them. No fuel required. Shelf life. Properly stored in a sealed container. Rolled oats last 3 to 5 years. 9,000 calories. $5. No cooking required. Running total, approximately $52. Food, 5. Canned fish, tuna, sardines, mar or salmon. A case of 24 cans runs $18 to $24, depending on the store and the variety. This is the protein solution that the survival food industry overcomplicates at 10 times the cost. The human body cannot sustain physical and cognitive function on carbohydrates alone. Without adequate protein intake, muscle deterioration begins within 2 weeks, mental clarity drops, decision-making degrades, physical strength decreases. White rice and oats solve your caloric problem. Canned fish solves your protein problem. 1 can of tuna contains 25 grams of protein. 0 preparation. Pull the tab, eat it, or mix it with rice. That is a complete meal with no equipment, no fuel, and no skill required. Shelf life. The USDA confirms canned fish remains safe and nutritionally viable for 3 to 5 years, past the printed date when stored properly. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish support cardiovascular function and reduce inflammation. For a 45 to 65-year-old doing physical work under stress, that is not a nutrition footnote. That is a functional advantage. 24 cans, $20, 3 to 5 years of reliable protein. Running total, approximately $72. 5 foods, $72. Calories for 30 years. Protein for 5. A preservation system, a medical supply. And I still have not shown you the 2 foods that veterans specifically mention when they talk about long-term disruptions. Not because they taste good. Because of what they do that no other food on this list does. The next 2 foods are the ones that separate a 2-week food stock from a 2-year food strategy. Here they are. Food 6, apple cider vinegar. A 1-gallon jug costs $6 to $8. Most people walk past this in the condiment aisle without a second thought. Here's what trained eyes see. Preservation system. Apple cider vinegar pickles and preserves fresh vegetables and proteins. When you have access to fresh food during a disruption, Vinegar extends that food's usable life from days to months. Pour it over vegetables in a sealed jar. You have just built a food preservation system for $8 that requires no electricity and no refrigeration. Digestive function. The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar supports digestive health during dietary transitions. When your body shifts from a normal diet to an emergency food stock, digestive disruption is one of the first physical responses. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in water daily manages that transition. Wound care. Diluted apple cider vinegar is a documented antimicrobial surface cleaner. When pharmaceutical supplies are reduced, it functions as a cleaning agent for minor wounds and surfaces. Food preservation, digestive support, wound care, and surface sanitation. 3 critical functions. $8. Running total. Approximately $80. Food 7. This is the one I've been holding. And when I tell you what it is, you are going to wonder why nobody puts it on a survival food list. Multivitamins? A bottle of 300 tablets costs $8 to $12 at any Walmart. Why, here is the problem that kills people in long-term food disruptions that nobody in the survival industry talks about. Micronutrient deficiency. When you are eating white rice, oats, canned fish, and honey for weeks or months, your macronutrients are covered: calories, protein, carbohydrates, but your micronutrients are not. Vitamin C deficiency causes scurvy within 4 to 12 weeks of inadequate intake. Scurvy is not a historical disease. It is a current medical reality in any situation where fresh produce is unavailable. Symptoms include fatigue, joint pain, and wound healing failure. In a survival situation, those symptoms are not inconveniences, they are operational failures. Vitamin D deficiency impairs immune function. Vitamin B deficiencies cause neurological symptoms. Iron deficiency causes fatigue and cognitive impairment. 1 multivitamin per day addresses every one of those deficiencies for under 4 cents per day. 300 tablets, $10. Nearly a full year of micronutrient protection. The freeze-dried meal industry spends thousands of words on caloric content and 0 words on micronutrient coverage, because you cannot put a dramatic label on a vitamin bottle. But the people who understand long-term survival nutrition always have vitamins. Always. Final running total. Approximately $90. 7 foods, $90. A complete long-term nutritional strategy, 7 foods, $90. Not a 2-week supply, a foundation, calories that last 30 years, protein that lasts 5, a preservation system that requires no electricity, medical functions built into 3 of the 7 items, and micronutrient protection that the survival industry never mentions because it does not photograph well. Here is what this list actually is. It is the difference between stocking food and understanding food. The freeze-dried industry sells you the feeling of being prepared. Veterans who have actually operated without reliable supply chains know that feeling and preparation are 2 different things. This list is preparation. The families who survived the siege of Sarajevo for nearly 4 years did not have freeze-dried meal buckets. They had staples, preserved food, foods that stored without equipment and cooked with minimal fuel. The people who understood that early ate through the entire siege. The ones who waited for aid that never arrived in time did not have that option. You now have the list. The question is whether you act on it before you need it or after. And those 2 answers have completely different outcomes. If this changed how you think about your food supply, hit like. It helps other people find this before they need it. Comment below with 1 word. Just 1 word. The food on this list that surprised you most, drop it below. I read every single one. Next video, I am covering the 7 water storage methods veterans use before every crisis, including one that costs under $20 and holds over 100 gallons. Subscribe now. That video is coming this week, and you do not want to see the water video without having seen this one first.